Thank you, love. Hatid mo ko. Vlog ni Kapoler.
Morning!
Sundain lang namin si Shai. Later.
Amazing! Ay, Kapoler. Nagising lang.
Sinundo namin si Shai. Bali, vlog to ni Kapoler. Sabi niya i-vlog. Kasi magpo-promote din ako ng Kapoler shirt. Dry fit. Diba? See you later! Go. Hindi na tayo makita. So, first time namin sumali ng fun run.
Ano ko nga yung shoes ni Bernadette kasi binili ni Jim.
Wow, ganda.
Yes.
Ayan, nakita na. Hi, girls.
May banner ka dito. Hi.
Alin yung ano? Oo.
So, good morning everyone. Paunahin mo natin yung mga 5K po. So, isang tarik lang muna natin.
Wala akong ano.
Sa likod po yung 3K. And then yung nauna po yung mga 5K po.
5K siya.
Line up ng mga. Hindi ka naman kayo pasensya na po sa lapit. Oh! Kulang pa tayo, ano? Marami pang habol.
Marami pang habol.
Bago po mag-start, let's start the program for a prayer to be led Miss Johnson.
May this be a time of encouragement, motivation, and positive energy for all. Above all, may we run this race not just with our feet, but with hearts full of gratitude.
A big round of applause. Alright runners, before we hit the road, let's get our bodies warm up with some stretching. Warming up is super important to prevent injuries and make sure you're ready.
Hintayin natin ibang participant kasi po for sure hindi sila makadaan sa River Drive pero try maka-access doon.
May award ba yan?
Alright, listen to your body ha, kapag medyo may masama pa.
Nasa kalsada ha. Side na kayo pabalik.
Wala pa naman lechonan dyan eh, baka huwag ba lechonan. Okay, 2 minutes. Alright runners, are you ready? Yeah. Ready? Parang hindi pa. Hindi pa yata nag-almusal eh. Okay. Listen na, okay, dyan na tayo sa harapan. Okay, baka matutukan tayo. So let's count down together. 30 seconds, come on. Okay. Ayan na, Ayan na. 20 seconds. Alright, 10 seconds. Let's count down together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Sorry, Shai. Naiwan ko na kayo. 6 kilometers pa lang. 5 more to go. 1 kilometer. 4 kilometers pa. Ay. Here. Bye. Finish time.
Congrats po. Ngayon na sila, yun na, pabalik na lahat. Wow! Congrats, Ma'am Beth! Woo! Picture muna, jump shot! Tayo mo ng tuhod! Hey, congrats ma'am! 011!
Yes po.
Hey, congrats po sa mga team mo to! Alright, galing ha! Sabay-sabay ang team!
Sila Shai, nasaan na?
Lahat mag-pisik-pisik
Sorry,
ng
Shai.
tubig. Ay, water po ito, sir! Ito, sir! Sir, ito po! Galing ha! Gabitin! Ayaw na ba naman? Ayaw na naman tigil na naman sino tigil. Yung tabi niyo yung team po.
O yung inuman.
Asaan? Delicious pizza po. Tatawagin natin. Tawagin, sir. Okay, for 3K winners. Tawagin for 3K winners. Let's begin with the winners of 3K
Ano yan,
category.
sis? Ay, coffee.
Yes. A big thank you to our sponsor, organizer, and volunteers who made this event possible. And of course, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to take pictures, enjoy the rest of the event, and stay connected with us on social media using.
Meron daw.
Until next time, keep running, keep shining, and see you at our next fun run. Okay.